Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can display accessory views in iOS 26 along with tab bars. Whenever a tab bar is minimized, you can change the behavior of your accessory view as well. So yeah, let's get started. So here you can see I have this application, and if I scroll here you can see our tab bar minimizes and our accessory views comes at the bottom as well. If I scroll back up, okay, and if I click on this, so the performance is little bit bad because I'm running it on the simulator, but don't worry too much about this. And also I'm using UIKit, I'm not using Swift UI, so this is with UIKit. So hopefully you got the point. This is how it looks like if I just scroll up and down. So yeah, if you have a music playing application, you can use the accessory views. So let's see how to do this. So first, as usual, you just need to go to your view controller and have replaced it with UI tab bar controller, and you have to add this minimize tab bar minimize behavior as on scroll down, and here we add this now playing view, which is the accessory views, and here you add to it UI tab accessories. Okay, so this is a view controller and a bottom accessory equal to accessory as well. Here I have to create two separate view controllers for this particular tab, so the home as well as for settings. So these are the two tabs. Here I set the UI tab bar item for both of them, and here I set the navigation controller as well, and here we add the view controllers as well. Okay, then here I'll just quickly show it to you. Now this home view controller, it can be your own thing, you don't have to follow this. I've just taken a UI scroll view and UI stack view, and I have set some NS layout constraints, and we are just looping over all the content. So these are all the labels. You can take a UI table view as well. And here inside settings view controller, if you see, it's pretty basic, nothing again really over here, so pretty basics. I just wanted to make one of this scrolling so that I can show you the minimize tab bar behavior. That's why I made the home view controller as scrolling. And for now playing view, which is the accessory view, which is the main part, here you can see I've taken one image view, one label, two labels are title and artist label, and play pause button and a text tag. And here we just call the setup and setup trait observation. Inside setup UI, we just set up our UI. Here we call configure as well, and here we call set playing. Now here we call setup trait observation. So in case like if you want to change the UI depending on whether the accessory views is over here or whether it scrolls down over here, and you might want to show or hide few buttons. That's why this setup trade observation is really important. And here we call, you see, we just call update player appearance depending on whether it is inline or not. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.